Hello, Quachero, Kalaquachera. Here we are in Amsterdam by the square with all the dubs. Come and join us. Yes, here we are by the dubs. Look at that, so many dubs over here.
Ano mo yung kamay mo? Yan. Oh, di ba? Ang dami. Upo ka, hayan oh. Ilang ano mo lang ang kamay yan oh. Oh. Upo ka yan, pupunta yan sa'yo. Ganyan, lalapitan ka niya. Yan. Ganda ano.
Oh, ayan, di ba? May dumapo sa kamay mo. Pero tinabig naman nung bad man na yun.
Ang dami nila ah. May picture ka na kanina nung may ano eh, nung may hawak ka. Oo, meron.
Yeah, you need to buy feeds daw. Ayan, magbibigay ka ng pera. Kaya, ayun doon sa lalaking yun. Kaya yun dumapo sa kamay ni Ate Ems, sinaway niya. Ayan yung naka-red. Ayan, nagbibigay sila ng feeds pero kailangan mo magbigay ng pera. So, ingat-ingat because that's not free. You need to pay for that. Ayan, so pero, ayan, hinawi niya yung mga ibon na dumapo kay Ate Ems. Nakakainis, hindi siya nakakatuwa. But anyway, we have picture here. Nice photo. Here by the square of Amsterdam where Madame Tussauds. Actually, this is a popular square here in Amsterdam. There's a lot of people here talaga always by Madame Tussauds. Yeah, beautiful pictures, Ate Ems. Nice. Thank you, guys.